Now we can see here in rack 2 machine, rack 2 system, its size is 2702, which map this size every 2 seconds using the du command. Now I am checking node 1, see 7302, then 702. This is the size. Now all this is stopped the copying the files, so I'm going to open the VNC, this password, that is okay. Now all this done, all the files are copied. It's going to prepare, copy the file, link libraries, set up the files, all these 4 it's copy into the remote node into the rack 2. Now we gonna run the script is inst.sh in rack 1 and rack 2, and second script is root.sh. now we perform on the each node. First we going to prepare into the node 1, it is rack 1, and exit from here. Now I exit from here, control C, and exit from rack 1, and going to install, run the script /u01 /app aura inventory aura inst.sh. Now successfully done. Now I copy the aura inst location and press to the node 2. Now I exit from esxi command. Okay, script is successfully loaded and successfully run into the node 1 and node 2. It's the rack 1 and rack 2. Now we going to run the script. Read root.sh, it's our read home. Now I'll run the script, press enter. Yes, /user /local/bin, there is run the script. I'm going to duplicate session. I want to see something. Root -ef. Okay. Now I'm going to top command. You can see here. Now press the enter. Now it's creating the aura tab file, and all these files can be created. This will take a long time because it's create a cluster OCR and voting list into the ASM. And first time it also created the OCR disk Oracle ASM disk group OCR. It's also created in the rack 1, and it's take a label to the OCR, and all these contents it can created. ps-ef grep b.bin, there is an contents. See, now crstl bin restart high availability service into the pst1 prompt. Now ohsd it is rebooted. See all this file ohsd it started, right? Okay, now ohsd it's rebooted. Now it is started. MDNSD it started, plug and play services is started. Now CSS monitor successful, then disk monitoring, cluster time synchronization daemon, then now we're going to check d.p. See here all the daemons was started. Now OHSD, Aura agent, MDNSD, plug and play services, CS monitor, CSS daemon, CSS agent, cluster service synchronization daemon, disk monitoring, cluster time synchronization daemon was started successfully, and SQL Plus now, and it is on the Oracle, and all these process are started into the root user. This root user CSS and Aura root agent and Oracle user can started cluster service synchronization daemon and disk monitor. It's Oracle. We set up the username into the Oracle ASM. It's Oracle, so it is started into Oracle. And all the further Aura agent, it's MDNSD and plug and play services are started in Oracle user. It's ID, and it is a time to start. Now we check the top command also. Yes, yeah, all the Oracle processes are successfully loaded. Alright, now see here MDNSD, disk monitoring, all these are successfully running. Now, root crstl.bin, CSH, OHSD, crstl, all these cluster services are running into the root user. Yes, all these OCR disks are successfully created into /dev/oracle. Disk is OCR, our group is OCR. Now it is successfully created on the OCR disk. Is firstly created on from node 1, it is a rack 1, and see the message. See here, voting file is successfully replaced, and it's created on this location. Now is updating the profile also. I'm going to restart all the services. See, all the disks are successfully created. Now user1 app Aura inventory successfully created. Now CUV RPMs are successfully installed. All the services are successfully started. Now check, we're gonna check the from here, d.bin, all the services are up, also listeners are up. Now check cd hp01 app101 create bin crstl start T, check all are running well. OCRDG my disk, Aura ASM is started. Now global disk is offline. Now network is on. Oracle notification service is on. My listener also running. my rack VIP is also running, scan VIP also running. So all these further processes are running in the rack 1 node. Now all processes are running. Now I will check CRS CTL, check cluster. Now CRS is running, CSS also running, and event manager is also running. Now I will check especially rack 1. See, rack 1 is okay. Now I am check the rack 2. It is not we not running the root.sh script into the rack 2 node, so that's why it is not showing. And enter. See here the message. Okay. Now we check the IP. See, ETH1 it's a cluster interconnect, and ETH2 it is global. So now we can check also backup, not showing the backup, and putting disk location. See, CRSCTL query CSS vote disk, check it's located into the OCR. Now we're going to run the script into the node 2, right? 01 app 01 grid root.sh. It's not take much time compared to the node 1, because node 1 is was created voting disk, OCR disk as well as ASM disk, and enabled all the services. So that's why it's not taken a long time. It's taken a long time compared to the node 2. It's not created voting disk and OCR disk, so that's why it's not only the enable Oracle notification service, enable the event manager, and all the services are running. It is started. Now I press the enter to the load the path into the /user local /bin location, and it created all the services and started all the service. Now and press the enter. It's copying all this file into the user local bin. Now it created /etc or a tab file. Now it's starting the OHSD into the rack 2 node. d.bit and d.bit bin only the OHSD. Now again check all the MDNSD plug and play services, CSS monitor, Aura root agent, all these are not. Aura agent is started into the user is Oracle. Now OHSD started on user root, and it started the resources. Again I am check. See, further processes are started. CSS agent, Aura root agent into the root disk dot bin cluster service synchronization daemon are started. See, now again we check d.bin. This is okay. Now I am going to check script is over or not. Yeah, this script is over. This is my location to where it is OLR is located. Now I am going to check dot slash sorry, disable going to location slash user1 app1 grid bin, yeah, 0, that's it, dot slash crsctl stat icon t, yeah, it says okay. F1 n sorry F1 t, yeah, that's it. Rack 1 VIP is running, Rack 2 VIP is running, Rack 1 is Rack 1, Rack 2 VIP in Rack 2, scan IP is running in Rack 1, its load balancing is occurred, so that's why. Now see, Aura OCRDG is running onto the Rack 1 and Rack 2, also Oracle ASM, Aura.asm is running on Rack 1 and Rack 2, it is started. Now Oracle notification service also started, Aura network also started, all this also listener are running. Now scan listener, now going to check CTL status, sorry, check cluster, yeah, okay, it is running. Icon n, Rack 1 is running, Rack 2 also running, F1 on, yeah, okay, all these services are running into the now. Check, now again I check cr dot slash crsctl stat icon t, all this running, and remove the icon t, check, all this. Rack 2 VIP type is Aura cluster VIP network services is it is online into the Rack 2. Now going to the VNC server, my script is running well, so I press the OK. Now it goes to the post installation. Setting up the Oracle network configuration assistance, also ASM configuration assistance, then it's create working proper VIP and private interconnect, as well as doing the cluster verification utility, that is the post verification utilities. Can take a time. Network configuration assistance as well as ASM assistance are successfully installed, and now it gives the error to Oracle cluster verification utility is failed. Now check the details, it is not an issue, and press the OK. Then I skip the state, then I press the next. The installation of Oracle Grid infrastructure for the cluster was successful, but some configuration assistance is failed. It is a cluster verification utility is failed, so that's why it's give the error. Now I am close this installation window, close this. We going to check the Oracle ASM and we all check all the components. Now I am close session. We going to check the and suppose this. That's it. See, I'm logged into the Oracle user. See, cat/etc Aura tab. Yes, Oracle instance is loaded into the Aura tab file, and so it is created. Now check into the cat/etc Aura tab. Check this ASM2 is running on proactive. Now I've started the Oracle instance. Export Oracle underscore SID equal to export Oracle underscore home equal to slash, what is the home? User 1 app grid, right? User 1 grid bin. Read our database. Yes, my database is not mounted, but my ASM instance is loaded. ASM instance is not started, or ASM database is not started. It is the only instance. It is in the normal stage. It's only handle the ASM disk group and OSM disk and OSM services. So I exit from here. ASM cmd. This is the command from third. ASM now -p dot slash ls tg only one disk are mounted, so CR disk group only that. Going to CR plus see scan fully scan, sorry CV OCR file is here. Check registry is here. Now we will exit from here. Yes, TG only one disk is here. Now I am going to create another ASM disk. Now I am going to the ultra VNC. Now go to the location slash u01 app grid bin, that's it. Dot slash asm c asm configuration assistance. I'm running to create asm disk group. We can check all this command into the rack 2 node. Yes, we all fun Oracle. Export Oracle underscore SID. SID equal to plus ASM 2. That's it. Export Oracle underscore home equal to slash u01 slash apt101 grid. That's it. Now go to the location slash u01 grid. That's it. Now SQL plus STV. Something is going wrong. Slash etc tab. Export Oracle underscore SID equal to okay, that's a task started. Exit from here. Also in dot slash asm cmd asm command prompt. ls dj. Only one group is here. Okay, that's right. pwd so asm. Now asm cmd, this is the window. Now check the disk group. All two nodes are members of the Oracle asm. Now rack 1 is running asm1 instance and rack 2 node is running asm2. Its status is up. Now going to the disk group. Create. Now I am taking external redundancy and see here all the files. See, OCR is already member of a disk name is OCR. Now I am ignore this and I am only show the eligible disk to perform its participate to creating the new disk, not already participated a disk. I am show the eligible only two disk is here and create dbf disk and give the group name is dbf for the database file. Now and press the OK. It's creating the disk group dbf. Taken time. disk. See here in the rack installation, in this rack installation, OCR disk for the storing the voting and OCR disk, FRA disk for the recovery and archaeologs. Now this group are successfully created. Now we check again into the LSDG. Exit from here. Now SMCMB LSDG not updated here. Okay, create this group. Now external redundancy, FRA, press OK. And third one is our disk group is DVF for the storing the data files as well as log files and control files. Storing the DVF disk group store the recovery, all the recovery file, flashback, archaeologs and backup we can store into FRA, and OCR and voting disk are stored into the OCR disk group. These groups are separated to the storing the file. Now FRA group are created successfully and press OK. See here, FR is loaded, but DVF is not loaded, so let's DG. See here, from here. Yes, and quit the application. Check into the node 1. So node 2. DVF is loaded, FRA is loaded, and OCR also loaded into the node 1. Again I add ASMCMB. See into the track 2 node, all three groups are mounted, external redundancy, blocks, size, total MB, free MB, then offline disk is 0, and DBF, FRA, also OCR is running into the loaded into the rack 2. It is mounted in rack 2. Now check into the rack 1. So DBF, FRA and OCR is running into the rack 1. Now I am exit from here. Also I am exit from here. We going to check cat slash etc or inst dot location. This is my inventory location 01 app oracle. Now cd going to the inventory location contents now and check vi inventory.xml. See what types of installation. My installation is 11.2.0.1. then my grid location is 11.2.0. grid. Now CRS is true, my database is cluster, and how many node installation is 2 node installation, one is rack 1 and second one is rack 2. This is the my installation. So now also say cd slash etc slash oracle. Let's check all the locations are here. It's not showing, but I check cat ocr.loc. This OCR, it is into the OCR disk group, local, not a local. Now check the OCR dot option and check also OLR. This is OLR, Oracle local registry. Now Oracle local registry, it is located to C data rack 1 and it is into the rack 2 is C data, rack 2 OLR, and CRS home is user1 app 11.2.0 grid. This is the locations. Now again we check, and last time we can check the all the service are running /crsctl stat resource -t. Now yes, it is running well. /crsctl check crs. All is running well. Now this is the installation of 11.2.0 grid infrastructure into the Linux. Now in next part we seeing the installation of Oracle database software into the rack. So thank you for watching my video. Keep touching with me, and if my video are give the knowledge of you to installing the rack and understanding the some Oracle topic, so can you subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.